Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at a cryptocurrencies chart which is currently in a correction, in a pullback. And this pullback that's currently playing out could lead to a trend reversal. We have a trading area on the chart. I'm talking about the Litecoin chart. Let's go. We are currently on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. If you're interested, you can register on our website. It's completely for free, link below. And then you can access all of our Elliott wave updates for different sectors, including cryptocurrencies. Today, we are going to take a look at the crypto section. And I want to specifically take a look at the Litecoin chart. And looking at Litecoin, I think we first take a look at the long-term chart. We discussed this chart before. It is our bigger picture, really weekly chart here that shows you the potential that this chart still has. However, the market obviously has been moving sideways for a long time now. We are starting to move away from this long-term support area that's highlighted here in blue. The key invalidation point, that's very important, that is needed to hold really to maintain a bullish overall aspect or outlook on this chart. That level is located at $22.15. Any break below, well, would open the door to a much more bearish interpretation. It basically means everything the bulls have tried has failed. But as long as that level stays intact, the idea is that we could be indeed in a third wave. Specifically at the moment, the idea is that we could be in magenta wave 3 here. And there are some key levels, some resistance levels on this chart that need to be broken, including the $296.33 level and the $414.04 level. So these are the two levels that need to be broken to unlock prices in the area around $823 plus. Now, looking at the shorter time frame, I'm talking about the 4-hour time frame here, we can see that the market is currently in a pullback. That's what I mentioned. Again, I just shared with you the overall outlook and wave count, but if we zoom in and take a look at the structure from the August low last year, then you can see that we have a potential upside impulse from that low. And currently we seem to be in some kind of a pullback, but there was already a pullback, a correction here into the April lows, which can be labeled as a complex corrective pattern. So the price already here reacted to one of our trading areas. Nice reaction, but the market could not generate a decisive upside breakout. So the idea was that this was only part of this entire correction here, which bottomed in April, and there's a key invalidation point. So this level here at $63.11, as long as that level is holding, the overall upside focus can stay intact. The idea is that a wave 2, as highlighted here in magenta, that this wave 2 marked a potentially meaningful low, and we could indeed be in a larger degree third wave to the upside. And this third wave to the upside should likely unfold as a 5-wave move. Now you can see here that we have blue wave 1 potentially completed. That was a price chop that formed in May, and now we are in this pullback I mentioned, and it is a wave 2. Yeah, we see it as a wave 2. We don't see the correction as completed yet. At least while I record this video, the correction is still unfolding, and it is absolutely important that this blue wave 2 that might be playing out at the moment is not breaking below the $63.11 level. I mean, that is an invalidation point, because a wave 2 must not break below the wave 1 low. So not below the beginning of the wave 1. That's very clear. At the moment, the idea is that, yeah, we could be on our way into this support area, into this trading area. And from here then, from this area between $68.25 and $79.37, we would like to see actually a reaction to the upside, a rally, an upside reaction that could start a third wave. The area, yeah, between $68.25 and $79.37. This is the 88.7 retracement to the 61.8 retracement, a typical target area for a wave 2. So you have a trading area, you have a support area where the price ideally should turn around. What it must not do, well, it can do it, but it must not do it in this scenario. It must not break below the $63.11 level in blue wave 2. That would be against the rules. So that is probably quite a good outlook actually, but only as long as the $63.11 level is holding. We see a similar pattern currently across the sector. So I think the next 1 or 2 weeks could be very, very interesting. I hope you liked the update about Litecoin. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. Yeah, and if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to register on our website for all of these additional updates. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.